All right, I'm about to show you a safe and quick way to disassemble your Glock firearm. All right, the first thing I want to do is take it out of the holster. Okay, the second thing I want to do is drop the magazine. All right, there's a button right here. I don't know if you can see that. Press that button and it'll slide right out. Okay. Now, the very next thing you need to do is make sure there's nothing down in the barrel. Okay, so what I do, I grab it, the rear of the slide, push forward and pull back. And I can look through there and I can see there's nothing sitting in that chamber there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Okay, the very next thing you want to do is, always, hold the weapon the proper way. I want you to aim it down at the floor and just press the trigger till you hear it click. All right. Next thing you want to do is open your hand up and you want to put your thumb right up under the handle, the rear of the handle, just like so. And your other four fingers, you want to put it on the side of the frame. Now you need to just adjust your hand so because what you're going to do is move the slide back towards the back, just a little bit. So I'm holding it like this. Now listen, you'll hear a little click when I do it. Hear that click? All right. Very next thing you want to do is look for the slide release. You still hold this back. Grab the slide release, which is right here. Pull it down, and it comes right apart. I'm gonna lay the handle down. All right, I'm gonna take the spring out. And here's the barrel. And this is the frame. All right, and that's it. It doesn't take that long to do. You should be able to do this with your eyes closed. All right, now let's put this back together. Okay, so grab your slide. Make sure you have the front of it pointing away from you, like so. You want to get your barrel, and you slide it right in the bottom big hole there, and it comes back just like that. Okay, just like that. Get your spring. You have a side that has a small round end to it, and another one has a flat end. You want to put the round tip portion right here. Okay, so all you need to do is place it in it just like that, and get your thumb. You want to push down and forward, just like that. Okay, it should come up just like that. Now grab your frame, and you want to get the back of your frame and align it with these little tabs that you see here. And it'll slide right on. Just do it slowly. Okay, and it goes right back and straight on, let it go. There it is. It's on. All right, I'm gonna get my magazine, empty as you can see, put it in. All right, and that's put together. It's that simple.